Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictation. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. Although reservation is not a fundamental right and cannot be claimed as such from the state, the discretion of the state in providing it is not absolute and can be subject to judicial top in NALSA, the Supreme Court exercised such review and considered the backwardness and underrepresentation of transgender persons in the education and employment sectors. Full stop. The court held that TGs have been systematically denied the rights under Article 15 within bracket 2, comma, which prohibits any disability, liability, comma, restriction or condition in regard to access to public places. Full stop. TGs have also not been afforded the special provisions envisaged under Article 15 within bracket 4 for the advancement of socially and educationally backward classes bracket SEBC bracket close of citizens, comma, which they are and hence are legally entitled and eligible to receive the benefits of SEBC. Full stop. The state is bound to take affirmative action for their advancement so that the injustice done to them for centuries may be remedied. Full stop. TGs have also been denied rights under Article 16 within bracket 2 and discriminated against in respect of employment or officer under the state on the ground of sex. Full stop. TGs are also entitled to a reservation in the matter of appointment as envisaged under Article 16 within bracket 4 of the Constitution. Full stop. The state is bound to take affirmative action to give them due representation in public services. Full stop. The rationale behind such a decision can be found in several government studies. Full stop. For instance, comma, the literacy rate among transgender persons is 59.06%, comma, compared to 74.04% for the general population. Full stop. Participation in the public sector is nearly zero, and others are forced to work in informal private jobs, including begging and sex work. Full stop. In this context, comma, the court recognized transgender persons as eligible for reservation and directed the state to provide it, thereby making reservation a vested constitutional right for transgender persons. Full stop. However, the present legislation does not mention the state's positive obligation to implement such directives. Full stop. Even the special chapters do not mention reservation in their provisions. Full stop. This deliberate legislative omission renders the act blatantly inconsistent with Supreme Court directives and violative of the principle of substantive equality as recognized by the Supreme Court. Full stop. Whoever harms or injures or endangers the life, safety, health, or well being, whether mental or physical, of a transgender person or tends to do acts including causing physical abuse, sexual abuse, verbal and emotional abuse, and economic abuse shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 6 months, but which may extend to 2 years, and with fine, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ नियर अबाउट 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर स्टेनो लीगल डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।